How to fix the issue of audio in FiveM application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open the application and in the main menu you will see at the top settings option. Click on it. Go to voice chat and go to voice chat enable. Make sure that feature is enabled. After that, in the voice chat setting again go to microphone enabled and make sure that feature is enabled too. Then after, again in the voice chat setting, go to input device and output device. If this currently selected device are having problem, change with the other device. After that, go to settings of your device. Click window plus I for a shortcut. Then from the left hand side menu choose Bluetooth. Go to sound and make sure from the speaker and microphone both the devices which are working are chosen. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.